This is a quick and simple way of how to use this HIY Z Sandwich Cutter from Amazon. My 8-year-old daughter is going to demonstrate.
Okay,
we have our peanut butter and jelly sandwich ready.
Okay, so first you're going to take this one and you're going to press it down to cut it. And you kind of have to put some pressure. And then you take off the excess.
Wait. You probably have to push it down more.
A little bit. There.
Do a little wiggling. Okay, yeah. I'm going to hold this down. You take the sandwich stuff off.
It comes off really simple. Okay, then you're going to lift this up. Put it a little bit on top loose. And then
put that second part?
Yeah, put the second part with the ridges right here. And you're going to press both down. And this will actually seal it if you wanted to send your kid to school with this. And then you lift it up. Lift this up.
Perfect.
And you got a perfect Uncrustable.
Perfect.
Now, if you would
and yesterday we turned it over.
Yeah, we turned it over and did the same thing. Just like this.
Just to seal the bottom too.
Yeah, so we can have ridges on both sides.
There we go.
And that is how you make a perfect Uncrustable.